Okay, so this is after more snow. We got probably, a foot and a half, I think, like last night. Sarge, come here. See that little brown head right there? Come here, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come here! So you can see this is a carved out path. That's our front little pathway thing. And you can see it's super, super high up. Taller than me. And where's Mr. Wild? Sarge, come here! What are you doing? You are so wild. Come here. Too high for him. Sarge! Okay, so this is what's funny. See this? I don't know how easily you can see it, but that is the top of our little front yard light post. And you can hardly see it. And Matt's really hoping that it warms up so he doesn't have to shovel the roof off. Because that would suck. Sarge, you're too close to the road. Come here. Too far. Come on. And the sun is starting to set. I don't know how many times he's snowblowed this in the past few days, but enough for that high. So Sarge, I don't think he likes it because he can't go in the snow because it's too high. Sarge! Sarge! Hey! Sarge! Can you go running? Can you go running? No, it's too high. Come here. Come here. Come see Mama. It's cold out. Come on, go get it. Go get it. Oh, oh no, Mama's mean. Go get it. Go get it. Good boy. Oh no. Oh, he's a stinking puppy. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. Come on, you can do it. Oh, let's go inside. Mom is mean. All right, come on, Sarge.